Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to print a Google Sheet document. So once you're inside your Google Sheet document, go ahead and find that page or wherever you want to print. And let's say I want to print this page here. So all I have to do is just simply click on the file on the upper left hand side. You can also find a print icon as well by simply clicking on a print here. So you can click print from here, or you can go to file and click on print at the bottom there, or press Ctrl P. Once you do so, guys, you will have that specific page that you want to print, right? So if you have multiple page document, then you will have it there. Then you can choose if you want to print the current sheet or you want to print the whole entire workbook. You can click on that and it's going to give you the whole entire workbook. So depending on what you want to do, right? Then once you do that, you can choose if you want to do it in landscape or portrait. Then you'll go click on next. And from here, it's going to take you over to where you can select your destination printer, right? So select that printer if you have printer available to you here, and you'll be able to find your printer and you can select the printer, then choose if you want it to all the pages or if you want it in colored or black and white. And yeah, you have more options that you can go through as well. And then once you're done, click on print and that's it.